very good morning to all of you. My name is Utkarsh Sharma, the faculty of physics. Today I am going to teach about the Ohm's law. Before starting the Ohm's law, I want to tell you that the Ohm's law is a very basic law for the electricity chapter which you are going to study in the class 10th. So I am going to start. Please take your copy and write down Ohm's law. The definition of Ohm's law is Ohm's law states that when the current flowing in a circuit, then it's directly proportional to its potential difference across its ends. So this is the definition of the Ohm's law. Now I am going to draw the figure of the Ohm's law. Be careful. This is the circuit diagram for the presentation of the Ohm's law. This is the direction of the current I, which is denoted at I, and the current unit is ampere. We keep in your mind, current is always flow in the opposite direction of the electrons, and this sign is represented as R, which is resistance. Now I am going to derive the mathematical formula for the Ohm's law, which will give you the power to calculate the voltage, current, and resistance, and length, area, resistivity, and all the n number of things. So before calculating all those things, I am going to derive the formula. Please be careful here. V is directly proportional to I. For removing the directly proportional sign, I have to write a constant in order to remove the directly proportional sign. So R is that constant which can help us to remove the directly proportional sign from the expression. This is the first equation. Here V is voltage, I is current, R is resistance, and the SI unit of resistance is ohms. Is symbolized as this. So this is the basic thing which you have to know while calculating the numerical. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the how resistance depend upon the physical property and its composition. So physical property is just like length of the conducting material and area of cross section of the conductive material, which is represented as A. So R is equal to rho L by A. It implies that as we increase the area, resistivity decreases. As we increase the area, resistivity decreases. As we increase, okay, if resistance increases, resistivity is also decrease. Okay, if the both increase, there is no change in the resistance. If any parameter is effect, then resistance is also effect. So now this is the equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 2. From equation 1, from 1 and 2, we can calculate resistivity. Rho is resistivity, is rho L by A, V by I, rho VA and I IL. This is resistivity. Rho is resistivity. Okay. So now you know what is the formula of the Ohm's law, what is the formula of resistivity, and what is resistance. This all thing is a very much good things which you have to keep in mind while calculating the current, voltage, and resistance, resistivity. Now I am going to graph the plot. Be careful. This is current. This is voltage. As they increase, this is 0 point, this is 1 ampere, 2 ampere, and so on. This is 1 voltage and 2 voltage. This is a linear graph we get. This is a linear graph. These are mathematical one is called mx. Y is voltage, x is current, m is resistance. So from this also, by the help of graph is also symbolize that our formula is right, because this is the straight line. The straight line formula is y is equal to mx, so v is equal to I r. Okay, v is equal to I r. So this is the Ohm's law. By the help of this, you can calculate the current, voltage, resistance, and resistivity. And another thing is very important, but keep your mind, is a rheostat. Rheostat is help us to control the current and voltage, by which we can able to calculate the resistance of the material. And this is all about the Ohm's law. Thank you.